In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Klaviyo app embed on Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you are in the correct store before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one Shopify account. Once you are inside the admin area, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Online Store and then select Themes. This will take you to the section where you can manage the design and functionality of your storefront. In this area, you will be working with your current live theme, so it is important to follow each step carefully. Next, open the theme editor. Once you are in the editor, move your attention to the far left sidebar. You will see several icons there for different theme settings and customization options. Click on the App Embeds icon. It is the third icon down, and it looks like a small box grid. This section is where Shopify lets you enable app-based features that connect directly to your store theme. After that, scroll through the list of available app embeds until you find Klaviyo. In some stores, it may appear simply as Klaviyo, and in others, it may be labeled as Klaviyo on-site. The name can vary slightly, but it will still be the Klaviyo app embed option you need. Once you find it, turn the toggle switch next to Klaviyo to the On position. When it is enabled, the switch will usually change color, often to blue or green. That visual change lets you know the app embed is now active within your theme settings. Before you leave this page, make sure you save the update. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. This is a very important final step because your changes will not be applied to the live store unless they are saved properly. After saving, the Klaviyo app embed should now be enabled on your Shopify store. If you do not see the expected behavior right away, give the store a moment to update and then refresh the page to confirm the change. That covers everything you need to know.